We're off sailing further north, dodging huge ships, catching more fish, and enjoying Great Keppel Island. Come for the ride on our Dreamtime. Bird song and a near full moon setting to the west. The sun is rising to the east. It's just after 4:30 in the morning here at Pancake Creek. Low tide, so we'll be going out through the channel with a little bit of current against us as the tide starts to come back in. But the wind has calmed down to around 10-12 knots. We're hoping the sea state out there has done a similar thing and calmed right down, because yes, we are off to Great Keppel Island today. Now it's 70 odd miles, so it's going to be a long day, hence the early start. We didn't want to go too early though, because with all of these channels to get out of Pancake Creek, we wanted the light to be able to see where we're going. Time to go.
So we'll go on over and wave our goodbyes to our friends and Patreons, Karen and Rob. It's been actual years since we've caught up with these guys, and it has been so fantastic. They said they'd be up this morning. Well, Karen will be. Rob may not be. We are yin and yang in our names. Rob is the late riser in their relationship. Karen has to make the coffee. Karen's sucked in too. That's unusual. Kanaloa is from Berlin. It's nice to see all these international boats back.
It's lovely to see international boats back. We don't often get one play with us. We normally only get them in pods, but this bloke's been having a good time.
How cool is that? Just wonderful. one. Well done, Rob. Yes. We'll be eating well for the next week. Night-night, little man. Have a nice rum sleep. He's a nice one, mate.
How's that?
Nice one. We will be eating well for the next week. How about that? He's a beauty. Very nice. Wrapped black cats is given to us in a care package from one of our Patreons, Griff, in Bundaberg. And today, being Remembrance Day, is a good day to actually start reading something.
We've got great news for everyone who loves seafood. Karen's new ebook, Hook, Line and Sinker, is now available. This bright and colourful cookbook takes you on a journey around the world of seafood. It features 10 chapters with over 50 recipes, including flavour profiles from Asia, the Middle East, Mediterranean and Australia. If you like to shake things up in the galley, this cookbook's for you. Recipe highlights include crab pot pie, seafood paella, Saganaki fish with feta and fennel, and Sri Lankan fish curry. Not only are there great recipes, but Karen shares her tips on how to catch, clean and cook a range of seafood. The book is filled with the flavours of the world, all enhanced by beautiful watercolours. Hook, Line and Sinker is available along with Karen's 2 other ebooks. You can find full details on them all at our PayHip page. There's links on screen and in the comments below. Sailing this deep downwind, it's a little bit hard to keep the headsail filled, but we probably could have poled it. The difference is we expected the wind to be a lot more beam on, so all's good. We're getting there. That's Great Keppel Island ahead of us. Looks as if we're right there, doesn't it? We've still got probably 2 hours. Well, after being in Pancake Creek for a couple of days with no internet service at all, we're about an hour and a half from anchoring up at Great Keppel Island at the moment. Our YouTube episode is due to be up in exactly 7 minutes, and it's currently uploading to 16% and going fairly slowly. So we haven't been able to get enough service to do the upload as we've sailed today. But as I say, as we're now about an hour and a half from anchoring up at probably Fisherman's Beach at Great Keppel Island. It's just starting to upload, so we're going to be late. Our Patreons won't get it early, which they normally do, but you can't help it when you've just got no internet.
what about these? Aren't they amazing? 2 beautiful spotties, good size and all. So time for slicing and dicing. What a morning.
Looks pretty cool. That's why we love this place. When the weather's good here at Great Keppel, you couldn't be at a more beautiful anchorage.
No.
It doesn't matter which one, where the weather's right, in that anchorage, they're all beautiful.
Beautiful sandy beaches, clear blue water, gorgeous blue skies. Don't really want to do anything else, do you?
No, we're going to go ashore and have a walk and grab a burger at Tropical Vibes, the little store here. Man, they are fantastic hamburgers, lovely people.
Yes.
And it's just a must-do for us, isn't it?
It is. It is. It's just one of those 70s skills hangouts, right?
Other than that, it's a lazy day and we'll be off tomorrow.
We will, unfortunately.
After a nice dip to cool off while we anchored Tinny 2 out far enough to hopefully not end up high and dry on the falling tide, we shot another one of our daily sit reps for our Patreon supporters. This is just a gorgeous spot. It's one of our favourite places that we come on the coast. The weather is spectacular. We're anchored out there in the bay and the weather's going to stay good for about a week. Normally we would be here for that week.
If you remember me saying that we always say we're staying for 2 nights at Great Keppel and we end up staying 2 weeks, Rob is determined this time we are not going to be wrecked at Great Keppel. We're going to go in the morning.
As tempting as it is, the fact of the matter is we've got a little bit of a window tomorrow where we can jump another hop up the coast into a place called Port Clinton. Totally isolated from everywhere. We hope we'll be able to...
Other than crocodiles.
Oh yeah, there's crocodiles. You know, there's crocodiles there.
There's no crocodiles here.
There's sharks, there's all sorts of things, but yeah, don't worry about that.
Activity.
So we're going to connect with a hamburger at Tropical Vibes, a little cafe here on Great Keppel.
So very 70s it is.
Love it. Absolutely love it.
There, unexpectedly, a lovely couple who follow our YouTube channel introduced themselves. This, of course, led to a wonderful afternoon talking boats and sailing. Thanks, Brad and Karen, and good luck with your new Seawind. This was our shortest stop at Great Keppel Island ever, because next morning we're off again. Yeah, we had 1 day with favourable winds, then the northerlies were going to blow for about 3 days, so it was off to Port Clinton. Make sure you join us next episode for all of that trip. If you'd like to see more of the behind the scenes on our Dreamtime, receive daily sit-rep videos when we're sailing, track our travels in real time, find out where we are right now, and meet up with us if we're in your area, then please head over to our Patreon site and join the Dreamtime Sail virtual crew. Membership starts at less than a cup of coffee. We'd like to thank everyone who supports us to make these videos possible. Your encouragement is what keeps us going. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It's free, and click the bell button to be notified when we release each video. See you next time.